Greetings, people. This is Pink Frock Yellow Boots from Behavior, with our motive to achieve holistic health in everybody, with specific emphasis on psychological health, that is your emotional and mental health. Yes, today I am here at home, going nowhere, as we all have heard about the rise in coronavirus cases throughout the country as the lockdown was lifted, and now again we are listening about the news that the lockdown might come again. But why is this rise in the cases suddenly reported? So, as per my knowledge and information from credible sources, the virus spreads through sinuses, that is ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. So, anytime the virus comes in contact with these parts of your body, there are high rates of contamination. Also, it is specified in almost every medium that the virus stays on different materials from 3 hours till a week, be it plastic, wood, metal, cloth, everything is highly capable of sustaining the survival of this virus, which is causing the spread. For example, if I sneeze here, the virus will fall on the chair that I am sitting on and the metal disc at my foot for more than a day or even 4 days. So, if I move from here and now this chair and desk is empty and somebody else comes and sits here and it has not been sanitized or cleaned, that means the virus is still surviving and the contamination chances are high for the person coming here and sitting next and next and next till the time this is sanitized and cleaned. So even if this place is empty after I leave and somebody comes and sit and is not following the precautions, that is sanitizing the things, wearing a mask, and always washing your hands before you touch your face or anybody else's face for that reason. So what happens is they would be contaminated and they would be now carrying the virus with them wherever they go, and if they keep on not following the instructions for precaution, they would be spreading it like I spreaded it as I'm not wearing a mask. So the virus is going to stay around and cause a lot more fatal damage, not futile, fatal damage to people. Also, the vaccines have arrived, but yet not everybody is vaccinated. So, till the time everybody is vaccinated, the precautions are still must. And regardless of the vaccinations being available, it is highly recommended that people still follow the basic precautions of wearing masks, sanitizing their hands, maintaining the distance, and still keeping to themselves for all the purposes except for necessary ones, so that we don't keep spreading it, as it is not just damaging our economy and our lifestyle but also lives of many. Because you might be a carrier and not show symptoms, that is, you might be asymptomatic to the virus, and that doesn't mean that you're not spreading the virus, which means that you might pass it on to somebody who might have fatal effects on them, specifically people with long term illnesses, terminal illnesses, aged people, children who are more vulnerable to the virus. So, let us all be responsible for ourselves, our loved ones, other people's loved ones, and if you feel that you are not important enough to survive, always remember somebody out there might not have told you how much you mean to them, but that doesn't mean that you are not valuable. If not to anybody else, be valuable to yourself and be responsible for everybody else so that we can get through this together at an early stage and get back to the routine and normal life that we used to live earlier, or at least start being social animals that we already are in a more comfortable and panic free way. Regards to everybody, wishing you a very happy and a healthy time ahead, with your mental health being stable and thriving.